Hi Crafty friends, I'm Sylvia. I hope everyone's having a wonderful day today. It is super hot today here in Texas. I believe it's 101 degrees and it's already, it's insane. Anyway, today we're going to do a quick unboxing, and I also wanted to say welcome back, and if you're new, welcome. And so let's get started. Now, I did say on my last video that I was going to do a landscape, but the landscape that I have in mind hasn't arrived. Should arrive this week, so hopefully I can do that unboxing, soon. But anyway, and then like 2 weeks ago, I did an unboxing from Dreamer Design. So this one's another one from Dreamer Design. Okay, it's a beautiful box, very shiny. Absolutely love this box. Okay. And let's see, on the side it tells you the features. It comes with sparkling diamonds for ABs. It's legally licensed image, full drill diamond fill, entire canvas. It has a lifetime warranty plus insurance, which means if you're missing drills or something, you just let them know. Okay, and then over here it tells you the instructions, how it works, everything that's inside the kit. And why diamond paint? Why not? It reduces stress and anxiety. It improves your focus. It helps your fine motor skills. It increases your social circle, and it helps to spark creativity. Yep. And I love this box, guys, because it comes with little handles, so just in case you want to travel with it. All right, so let's open up this baby. Anything in the box? Nope. Okay, and it always comes in a nice bag, which is pretty cool. Move that aside. Okay, Dreamer Design. Comes with a little kit, the canvas, and of course the drills. And what's in here? Oh, more drills. Wow, 2 packets of drills, guys. We're in trouble. All right. Okay, so this painting, guys, is actually called Moon Lily by Kurtis Rykovich. It's my second one. I think I'm going to start collecting them. I really like them. I think they're pretty cool. Okay, let's look at the toolkit very quickly. Love this little pouch. All right, so let's see. Let's dump all the goodies. So it always comes, Dreamer Design always sends you 2 trays, which is pretty cool. 2 of everything, it looks like. 2 pens, and then you got 2 placers and a straightener. 2 containers of pink wax or red wax. The 2 grips for your pen to make it's for comfort for your hands. And a pair of tweezers that are usually very, very sharp. I love tweezers. And of course, the little resealable bags for your drills. Okay, so let's put everything back in here. Move this aside. Oops, move this aside. And let's look at the canvas. Okay, it always comes in a little purple ribbon. I collect all these ribbons for Olivia. Okay, the canvas is not as soft as Diamond Art Club, but it's pretty nice, pretty smooth actually. All right, so let's see, how do we open this? Oh my gosh, guys. Actually, I'm gonna have to turn it the other way so I can straighten it out a little bit. All right, wow, this is a big one, guys. Wow. Oh, gorgeous. So this one's called, like I said before, it's called Moon Lily. Okay, and it comes always with the instructions, and they're on Instagram and Facebook. So let's hold this, put that aside, and it comes with the stickers for your containers, the colors. Okay, and it looks like it has 66 colors, guys, and it's got 4 ABs. Oh wow. Okay, so on the top here, Moon Lily, legally licensed from Kurtis Rykovich, I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. I hope I am. The size is 60 by 80 centimeters, which is 23.6 inches by 31.5 inches. Okay, and then it has the legend over here. Okay, so it tells you, and it's on the lower left hand side, and it's also on the right hand side. On the lower hand side, you see it tells you how many, which is 66. And then it tells you the sign, and the symbols are basically what's on the canvas, and the DMC numbers. And if you see down here, it's got AB. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4 ABs. Okay, and then it says paint with passion. And like I mentioned before, it's also on the right hand side. Okay, and then on the top it says join the dreamer community on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. Okay, I call it that way. Okay, so let's look at beautiful moon lily. All right, now Kurtis Rykovich, he has most of his paintings are women in surreal and whimsical settings. Okay, that's what I like about her. And most of all, they usually have big eyes and heads. As you can see, she's got a huge head like me. She's got big eyes, and which basically just draws attention to her face. I think I'm going to collect them because I absolutely love them. And Kurtis has 28 paintings that he sells at Dreamer Design. Okay, so let's look at her. So she's wearing this beautiful, beautiful big hat. Okay, and the hat has moons and stars. And then she's got beautiful pink and blue hair, I love pink hair, guys. And on top of her hair, she's got a kitty cat who's also pink. But look what's cool. He's got a yellow eye and he's got a blue and green eye, right? But look at hers. She's got the blue and green eye and the yellow eye. So it's sort of they match. Okay. And then look at the bear. Look at the teddy bear, guys. The teddy bear has a star. And what does that remind you of? That reminds me of the Care Bears from the 1980s. Yeah. And each bear had a different symbol. So this little guy has a star on his chest. And he's just adorable. And then, but look at her. She's gorgeous. She has, and you look at her, it looks like she's like startled. You know, like she's surprised. Just like when I get busted when I'm not supposed to be eating Oreos. Yeah, that's my look. I go, oh, yeah. But anyway, what else? Okay, let's look at her. She's wearing a huge bow. Okay, and then she's got this really cool outfit. And it looks like, I'm not sure, I guess this is a necklace, or is this the necklace of her shirt? It's like a see-through on the top, and it's got tattoos. So I don't know if that's on the shirt or that's on her skin. And then she's got a star. And then, of course, she's got blue hair at the bottom, purple here, and pink on the top. She's absolutely gorgeous, guys. But she's huge. She's pretty big. All right, let's see how sticky it is. All right. Smooth like butter. Nice and sticky. And it's very clear. So let me bring her up so you can see how clear. Let's bring her eyes, her big eyes. See that, guys? See her face? It's just very clear. Okay, so let's go look at the drills. So it looks like we have 2 packets of drills, guys, because it's a lot of colors. There's just so many colors that I don't have the space, so I'm just gonna show them to you. So this is 152, and the great thing about Dreamer Design, by the way, guys, they are organized, which is very nice. 151, which is like a peachy pink. 155. 159, it's like a gray. There's lots of purples. 209, 210, so you got 2 purples there, one lighter, one darker. Wow, this is beautiful color. This is 223, 300, it's like a brown, 310, and you've got 3, 4, 5, 6 of 310s. Okay, so let's put that aside. put that over there. So here are the other three 10s. 327, purple. 333, 340. See what I mean? Lots of purples. 498, which is like a pretty, like a burnt orange. 550, 552, and 553. More purples, guys. Lots of purples. Okay. 600, it's like a pink. 602 and 603. These are sort of similar. 604 and 605. Lots of pinks. 718. Wow, this is pretty. Got two 718. Very pretty pink. 726, which is a yellow, and then a 738. Looks like an avocado green, a light one. And then 791. It's like another purple. And then 796 and 797, very similar. Just one lighter than the other one. 798 and 79, also very similar. Blues. 813, just a lighter blue. 814, very pretty. 818, it's like a light peach. 819, looks like a light pink. 820 and 820. So you got two 820s. Just beautiful, 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 guys. So many beautiful colors. So you got two of 823, which is like a blue. 826, another blue. 827, a lighter blue. Oops, a daisy. 915, it's like a very, very pretty pink, dark pink red. 918, 930. Oh, I love this color. It's like a blue-green. 931, very similar to 930, just this one's lighter. 938. Yeah, 938 is like a chocolate. And 939. And we've got two of those, because there's another one over there. So two of 939. Which is like a very dark blue. And then 945, 951, very similar, one lighter than the other one. 954 and 958, greens, light greens. 958, another green. 963, it's a pink. 964, another green. 977, like an orange. And 3046, it's like a very pretty yellow, like a soft yellow. That's pretty. All right, and this one is, we got two of these. 3607. It's a pink, very pretty pink. 3603, another pink. 3608, another pink. 3609. So these are all pink, guys. 3746, a purple. 3750, a blue. 3826 is like an orange, and 3840 is a very light blue, and 3843 is a very pretty blue. Wow, just beautiful colors. Okay, and this is going to be the last row, guys. 3847, very pretty green. Another green. 3848, just a lighter green. 3856, peachy. Okay, and then you've got, let's see. Oh, wait a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ABs. Huh. I thought there were 4. Oh, no, it's 4. Because one of them is actually 2 bags. Okay, so we've got, let's cut these out. I almost got my finger there. My hand. Let's not do that. So we've got a white one for an AB. AB 08. AB 34, very light purple, very pretty. AB 37 is that light yellow that I like. And AB 46, which is a very pretty blue, and these are all the ABs. Okay, so let's go look at the painting again, and let's find the ABs. Where are you, Moon Lily? Okay, moon lily is huge, guys. All right, let's see. So AB, which is this one, the white one, the symbol is O, and it looks like it's on her face. Okay, and probably on her arms too, but it's mostly on her face. So her face is going to be very, very shiny. And then you've got AB34, which is like a light purple, and the symbol for that one is M. And M is like around her, right here, her nose, some on the teddy bear, and probably some on her hat. Let's see, any down here? No. Yep, on her arms. Okay, so she's got purple there on her arm. All right, this is so big, guys. Okay, then you've got AB37, which is the yellow, and that's, I'm sure, looks like a little anchor. And that's going to be, is it on her eye? Oh, it's like underneath her eye. It's like a light yellow. Okay, and then you've got this one, and this is number 3. So it looks like is it on the moon? Moon, nope. Her hair, maybe? Yeah, I think it's all over her blue hair, all around her blue hair. Yep, right there. It's all over her hair. So that's it, guys. But of course, we could add more bling. So where would you guys add more bling? Would you add more bling on the teddy bear, on the kitty cat, or on her hat? So, and definitely, I would definitely add more bling to her lips, her makeup, maybe her makeup, around her eyes, and of course on her necklace. We need bling on her necklace, and that beautiful big bow that she has too. I like that. All right, guys, well, that's about it. Thank you very much, and I hope you love her as much as I do. Take it easy. Bye-bye. Have a wonderful rest of the day.